In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut video in Adobe Express. If you've got a clip that's a little too long at the beginning or end, or you just want to keep the best part, this is a quick and reliable way to get it done without opening a full editor. We'll use the Trim Video tool, which focuses on keeping exactly the portion you want and removing the rest. Start by opening Adobe Express. Once you're on the home screen, choose the Video option. This takes you to a space designed for quick video tasks so you can get in, make the cut you need, and get out with a finished file fast. In the Video Quick Actions section, click Trim Video. Quick Actions are streamlined tools for common edits, and Trim is the one built specifically for cutting the start and end of a video clip. It's perfect when you don't need transitions, text, or complex effects, just a clean cut. Now upload your video from your device. You can drag and drop a file, or browse to select it. Common formats like MP4 and MOVI work well. If your file is large, give it a moment to upload and process. A stable connection helps here, and keeping the source video on your local drive usually speeds things up. Once your video loads, set the start time and end time to decide which portion to keep. Think of these as the in and out points. Everything between them stays, and everything else is removed. You can drag the handles on the timeline or type exact time codes if you want frame-accurate control. Use the built-in preview to play from just before your chosen start and end, and listen for clean audio cues, like when a sentence begins or ends. If you overshoot, no worries. Just nudge the handles or adjust the time fields until it feels right. Remember, Trim keeps a single continuous section. If you need multiple sections, you'd create separate trims for each part. When you're happy with the selection, click Download to save the trimmed video. Adobe Express will process your cut and start the download automatically. Choose where to save the file so you can find it easily later. The exported video keeps the same format as your original in most cases, and the quality is preserved because we're only trimming, not re-editing the content. If you notice something you want to tweak after downloading, simply return to the Trim Video tool, adjust the start and end points, and download again. It's fast, it's simple, and it keeps your workflow focused on exactly what you want your audience to see.